So in this Figma tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to edit letter spacing here in Figma. So once Figma's opened up, go to the bottom and add some text to your design here. I'll go ahead and type in the word letter. I will then go ahead and make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see, and I'll center it just like that. So once your text is selected here, to change the letter spacing, go ahead and double tap the text right here. Scroll down to where it says letter spacing, and you can do one of two things. You can press it and then drag it right or left to make it more or less, or you can go ahead and type in the exact number as well. So if you want like 10%, you can go ahead and do that. If you want 30%, you can go ahead and do that. And basically, you can play around with it, do what you got to do, just like that. So pretty simple, but that is how you guys can edit letter spacing here in Figma. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.